Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering your source files and linking them in Excel so updates flow automatically. First, import each table into Power Query and clean inconsistencies. Trim spaces, fix dates, unify categories. Once done, merge or append tables to create one master table that downstream visuals will use. This prevents duplicated logic and keeps calculations consistent. Make sure to set proper data types and name the query logically so formulas and pivots reference a stable source. Next, transform the master data and build a simple model that supports flexible analysis. In Power Query, unpivot or split columns as needed. Then load to the data model and define relationships so slicers work across tables. Once the model is ready, author DAX measures for KPIs, total growth percent, running totals, because measures recalculate reliably across contexts. Make sure to test filters and time intelligence functions to validate that your definitions behave as expected when users interact with the dashboard. Finally, design the worksheet for clarity. Group related visuals, use a consistent color palette, and size charts for legibility so your key insights stand out. Add slicers and a timeline to enable exploration. Tie visual filters to your measures to avoid conflicting calculations. Once satisfied, publish the workbook or export as PDF or move the model to Power BI if you need web distribution. If visuals misbehave, check relationships and measure filter context first. Incorrect cardinality or missing calculates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.